In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome avatar with a custom picture. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so you can replace that default Chrome profile icon with a photo or image you actually like, and make it easier to tell your profiles apart. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, since profile customization works best there. Look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see your current profile icon. It might be a colored circle with a letter, or one of Chrome's generic avatars. Click on that profile icon. A small menu will drop down, showing your current profile name and possibly other profiles if you've set them up. In that menu, look for an option that says something like Manage your Google account or Manage your Chrome profile, and click it. This will open a new tab or window with your account settings. If you're taken to your Google account page, make sure you're signed in with the account you want to customize. Here, you'll usually see a larger version of your current profile picture near the top. Click on that image. A prompt will appear, giving you the option to choose a new photo. Now, select Upload, or the option that lets you add a photo from your computer. Browse your files and pick the image you want to use as your avatar. For best results, choose a clear, high-quality picture where the main subject is centered, because Chrome will crop it into a circle. Once you've selected your image, adjust the crop if a cropping tool appears. Drag and resize the selection so the important part of the image is visible. Then confirm or save. Give Chrome a moment to update. You might need to refresh your browser window or close and reopen Chrome to see the changes everywhere. Your new custom picture should now appear in the top right corner as your avatar, and it will also sync across other devices where you're signed into the same Google account. If you ever want to change it again, you'll repeat this exact process. Open Chrome, click your profile icon, go to your account or profile settings, and upload a new image. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Google Chrome avatar to a custom picture, giving your browser a more personal and recognizable look.